Way.
He likes holding bright lights.
Hey, there's your car, car.
He thinks that's something because it's got a door.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Get in it. Get in it and drive your car. Get in there and close the door. Close your door. The other way. Get the balls out this way. Get them right there.
Ain't no out.
Now put them back in here. Now close the door. Now put them in here. Go like this. And put that one in there. No, put it right here. You red?
Look fine.
Right here. Right here.
It's gonna be cloudy in the morning.
Right here.
Is it?
See? Now put the yellow one in there. Right here. See, look here. Yellow. Yellow.
Open door.
You just have to show him something one time, buddy.
And then he's got it.
Yeah. Oh.
Dig, how do I stop it? Just hit this, how do I stop it?
Triangle, look. Matthew. Put some gas in that thing. It needs some. Okay. Here. Matthew. Here. Hey, buddy. Uh-huh.
I get it, he said. You gonna get it? Huh? You like to watch that dancing and singing, don't you? Look at that. Watch him watch that.
Look at him do his
What
foot.
do I do, Dee, to get YouTube on my phone? Is it YouTube downloader or YouTube?
You downloader, I think, is when you download.
Yeah. Now, put them back in here. Put them in here. Yeah, get it and put it in there. This hole. Put it right here. See the red? It's right there. Put it in there. Push. Now get this one. Look here.
So how does this work on your phone? How do I find something?